What's up guys, Nizo here. We're in Nizo's garage checking out the Starsound Apocalypse series 15-inch subwoofers. These subwoofers are available in 12-inch and 15-inch, and if I'm not mistaken, they are available in both Dual 2 and Dual 4. The packaging has the specifications printed on the side of it, all of which is extremely handy when you need to design a custom enclosure for it. One of the things that stood out for me is that it has an FO. I'm assuming that's supposed to be FS. Maybe it's just a misprint of, but anyway, it's 51 Hertz. That tells me that this woofer prefers higher frequency tuning. Looking at the composition of the subwoofer, there is a high roll surround that's stitched onto a paper pressed cone. The basket is an aluminium die cast with multiple spokes, which allows for a lot of airflow from the back of the cone. There's a plastic ring that clamps the damper down onto the frame. This is secured with bolts and nuts or screws. The subwoofer has a 3-inch high temperature copper voice coil. Looking at the thickness of the winding, in my experience, I would guess that this is about 1,000 to 1,200 RMS true power all day, every day. Obviously, in an SPL application, it can take a lot more power, but I'm being conservative here. The motor is made up of a double stack ferrite magnet system. It's got a center pole for voice coil cooling and additional cooling for the voice coil in the voice coil magnet cap. Last but not least, there's a pair of push terminals on either side of the subwoofer. This allows you to connect up to an 8-gauge wire. Overall, I think the woofer offers really good value for money. It's really well put together. I can't fault it in any way, especially when you consider the money you're spending on it. What I like the most is you don't need a lot of power to get these speakers moving and to get loud. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.